Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Today I want to talk to you about the oyster nut. The oyster nut is in the category of a creeping crop that is grown over other plants, and the essence of growing it over other plants is for those plants to act as a stimulus for the oyster nut to get light. As you can see, I have the oyster nut here, and it is planted in a way that we plant two seeds, one to act as a female and the other as a male, to support pollination so that the crop can flower and produce nuts or fruits. So this is the oyster nut. One of these two stems, these are two stems, this and the other one. One is a female and the other one is a male. So these two are the ones that will allow pollination to take place so that our oyster nut can produce fruits or nuts, in this case oyster nuts. This oyster nut is growing over an avocado tree. As you can see, it is spread all over the avocado tree branches. As you can see, this is a mature oyster nut crop. For your information, guys, we have already done several harvests from it, and I'll be showing you how the fruits or oyster nuts look like. Just to give you a tip, oyster nut, what we call here ibinyebwe biganda in the central of Uganda, we call it ibinyebwe biganda. Yes, we cook them. It has they have a variety of purposes. We can cook them as sauce. Then we can also use them to make cooking oil to fry different food recipes, as you know. So I'm going to show you how the oyster nuts or fruits look like. Please stay around, don't go off. This is how the oyster nuts look like. These ones. These are the ones which I've been able to remove from the shells, and these are the oyster nut shells. So we are going to pound these ones in a blender to form, how should I call it? It's not a powder. We are going to form, how should I call it? We are going to crush them. Let me say, to form a powder that we are going to cook. We shall use some of it to cook sauce, and the other portion will be used to prepare cooking oil. I'll be showing you the process.